In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, going live on TikTok is one of the best ways to build your audience. You can also monetize your live videos when you receive gifts. So to do this, go ahead and open your TikTok app and log into your account. And once you are in your account, head over to this plus icon at the bottom here. If you click on this, now you'll have an option here to give access or to grant TikTok access to your picture and record videos. Go ahead and tap on allow using this app. And here you'll have granted access to your camera. You can flip your camera by just tapping on this, and this will make your camera flip back and forth. Use the back and front camera. Now to go live, you should see on bottom here an option for live. However, for my case, I don't have. Now, if you don't have, it means that you have less than 1,000 followers. And apart from having 1,000 followers, you'll also need to verify your age and also take a selfie image of yourself before you can get that live button next to create here. So the reason why I don't have the live button here is because I'm yet to verify my account and I have less than 1,000 followers. However, if your account meets the criteria, you can now go ahead and click on live and now start recording your live videos. So that's how you can go live on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.